So no, you give one of them white girls the picture and say, yo, my uncle that you know should number one. You.
My life could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
So yeah, we are head to OCHO now, so this is the journey, you know. For all those who are living overseas who never traveled on Jamaica road by themselves, that is driving wise, roads are very narrow, you know what I say, so you have to be very careful. Yeah man, the roads are very narrow, so you have to be careful, you know what I say. And if you're doing rental and stuff, ensure you get a tall vehicle, because the roads are a bit bad in certain areas, you see me? But as I said before, it's best to have somebody to drive around. But right now we're heading to OCHO RIOS. We're coming from Christian and heading into OCHO. My little brother Tyrone, they are do it, you see me? All of my logo them and him deal with them. TY Outlaw, you see me? TY Designs. Every logo of the general deal with them. So get following on the Instagram for all your logo, your flyer. And what you call it again? Your party motion flyer, your motion graphics, you also deal with thing there.
Party promotion video.
And what you call that thing again? Business cards, you know what I say? Any logo for any business, the general got it, you see me? So introduce yourself, my G, and then see your face, you see?
Everyone just check in at the Instagram, TY Design 876, or my personal Instagram, TY Outlaw, same way. And you know, we're on the way to OCHO, safe travel same way, and go and big up on yourself, you're sure know what I go on.
Me no in a bankrupt, me no day in jail dash for the handcuff. Money in our pocket, you know me tank up. 6 out here, you know we run prof. I take on a cup of coffee, squeeze up your breast, cup up your body. Leave it to the end, from the start. Real better than better. And them no know when we are my tree sardine and the one bone a rice from chop. And them no know when we are get chased by cops and the mac and the drop. And all the woman make it know, no struggle feel.
OCHO side, man, you know the thing work, you see? You drive it over walk with, you see me? Yeah, we do we start with, see me, so? TY Outlaw, you know the thing work.
Real man.
Up top.
Look into something.
Constant spring road, a grand spin that in it. Look down like a more sick a board up on the front in case and a show which part of them, I see the world like a globe.
It's like a bomb.
so we're in OCHO town now, you see me? The tourist spot. I used to work at Jamaica Grand Hotel. Now it's called I think Moonlight Palace, Moonlight, something like that. They changed the name, but it was Jamaica Sunset Jamaica Grand before when I used to work here. I'm going to show you the hotel still. We're coming up right to it now. Right up by some you see, you see?
We go like so.
So yeah, reaching a OCHO right now. Just a wait for one of my friend. You know what I say? I was there in a place, but first me I come over the plaza. Juicy beef. You see me? You have Pizza Hut over here, so. You have Tutti Frutti. And then you have KFC on that spot, you see me?
So they really look at
Daddy, don't like that, man. It was a content garden. Yeah man, I eat man. And place used to run off, you see me? Uncle place down here, so family. Cool place man. So the man I have a link now named Dexter. Him kinda make it possible for no for one Canada know me, you see me, so come back a yard, have to give them man their link. So forward, safe in the home, hopefully in the home. Nobody know me I come and heal a kinda beat me bad, but I run it. I get breathless. But them place I used to walk at late night, you know. Mommy used to afraid. I left Christian and come and watch she can live. Yo, I look at Hila. Boy, Tyrone say nah come. Cause dog afraid. Boss afraid I walk in, you see me? But you know my thing working. Me no watch face in it, you see it? But not a matter of slim or fat. It's a matter of fit. And this road is for the fittest. You see me? Alright, over here say general live I believe. Safe in the home, you see me? Hopefully in there. We can link him up. Alright. So yeah, the process of seeing Dexter didn't went according to plan. Dexter at the home. Bear in mind, you know, this is like a surprise visit for a lot of persons where I never gotten the chance to just reconnect with in person and thank them enough. You know where I come from? Yeah man, certain people I may just have to reach out to personally. Panda tripper, you see me? And Dexter is one main person. Of course my uncle and my auntie, but them not the home neither. Them one of them, my uncle gone a funeral, my auntie down the road. So I head back down at their house now. So hopefully by going back to the house, I see Auntie Lisa, you know what I say? Then they know me I come there. It's a surprise to everybody. So you see what I'm going. And then again I have to bring back the people them rental by 5 o'clock. I have a 2.5 hour drive to make. Go back all the way to Mandeville. So I have to go left soon. I have until 4 o'clock for left right. So I have to come back then on next day. So that I hit, you see me? Yeah man, that I hit man. Yeah man, we're there St. Mary, you see me? Be a vegetation there on. I see some man yeah. Man like him a hot boy, I snap me, I snap him. Oh some man. Daily out. Up top you know. I'm sure now I go on. There my uncle place a beer fruits and something you know. But plum them not ripe up. June plum. See that now? June plum. Whole heap of coconut up in a tree top. You know how you manage that in my boss? No, how you manage this at all? Yeah man. Jelly drop on your head. Watch it. Yeah man. Thing heavy man. No, how we boss manage this? Down there. Up. Alright, jelly a fly. The boss know if you work it. Could what? Alright my boss. Down a St. Mary thing there, you know. It's my brother and my cousin. Alright. Whole heap of jelly. Up. You know you see them sitting here man. Young. Pretty boy thing in the pan.
Put them out down there and drink it.
See there, jelly water. Boy not used to it, you know. Country man. You tired? Yeah. Alright, thanks. So see, you know, get a bag of jelly a while ago. I go back down. General. Run it, you see me? General was so generous. Shut up some jelly, give you see it? Thing kinda blurry. Man try to catch my uncle, you see me? Boy, Tyrone gone with the car. Gone left me. I want him there, sir. Oh. Camera on, you know.
I plug in my phone and pause the music.
Mr. Man, me real to people, real to me.
Okay, I'm sure I say
yes, I forget about him. But you don't know what they in my plan. I don't talk things like that, I just do it, you know. You see me? Because them man and them people, I say take care of me, you know, dog.
She said, they ain't real to one.
Take care of me. A 2-bedroom, I have it. So I Billy Boss, I build up on, I know what they do? Put their son and their daughter upon one bed. I'm a grade 7, you know. I boss this. I boss this man. For real man. I boss this. You know, so from a group family kind of everybody say man is a man just. Anytime you mommy talk, man is a man.
Favor.
So yeah
man, take care of this man. Oh God, me now make you hear that team. No man. Now make you hear that team.
No man, I tell people they feel set
like me. Not true man, not true. And you know, and you see me proud that you can always attack.
Yeah man. No man, from ever since. I remember telephone him time there.
Yeah man.
Have that family structure.
For real, you tell me.
Coming in your house is like me so surprised because God. Man I get up 7 o'clock a man time prayer meeting with his family.
Yeah man.
Where me never used to it like
real,
so
man,
oh God. Thing there.
Yeah man.
You just inspire me say yo can't do less than this.
For real man.
Uncle said
me love that. Me love that.
I think I remember man.
Yeah man.
I think I remember my boss. Trust me man.
I love that.
Trust me, I tell Turn a while ago say this a man.
For real man.
Put call and no call this by one bed and give me a bed for myself.
Yeah man, for yourself man. Yeah man, that's what me do.
This a man say you John at Jamaica granny I go in.
That's what me do man. Yeah man.
Man look the hotel for me everything.
Jamaica granny I
go find a place to me rent everything.
Yeah man.
I tell people you know like I know a whole heap of people uncle.
Yeah.
I walk on the road do this man. He say yo remember so I forgot
you up so too?
No, some day, man.
Christian aside, like, man. No, boy, I can't say back in the more than me.
They work, man.
Thai road get big,
big man.
Get me the pass in my road.
I say, what you say, man?
I not tell a lie. Thai road.
I say, what you say, man?
Am I just 22, you know? Eh? Am I just 22, is that
22, no.
No, man. I tell you, uncle, when I go so boom,
Yeah.
I tell people the amount of people I know.
Yeah.
Not OCHO as I
Yeah.
know enough people see me.
Yeah. But
Falling Christian.
Yeah.
So you can't heal up everybody, but me
Yeah.
also have certain people. I
Oh,
can't
yeah.
give you a phone call.
Yeah.
I have to come see you first. Like.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Now I
for
come
real.
back then, you know.
Yeah, man.
I just show. Yesterday we rent the car.
Yeah. A March, me a go.
Yeah, where man?
February.
No, my idea for whole of the month.
Oh.
I'm gonna come back.
Oh, you
I'm
can't
not
go
get
and
to go
check.
nowhere
Yeah,
yet.
you can't
But
go
I
and
say me
check
I try go the far place
Yes.
before.
Yeah.
Cause
You have to come and check me, because we have to have a drink.
No, I that me assure you.
Yeah, man. You have to come, because call and come down Monday.
No, until tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Right, tomorrow Monday.
Yeah, man.
Are you right? But
tomorrow.
me wrong. Yeah,
Yeah.
same thing.
You can show him the grave and so on. You can show him the grave.
Yeah, man. I still go weed up fruit
Yeah.
for that grave. I saw come
paint up it.
Yeah, we want to go down, we want to go weed up for Jeff, you know,
At
paint
least,
it.
yeah,
Weed
that we do
waka it
yesterday.
and paint
And
it.
that way it is
And me
there.
have a
14
weed
years, so we
waka.
come back there.
So
Oh.
me weed waka a long time, you know.
14 years no go back out daddy grave.
That's what
Cause
I
he
see,
want
man.
know. We never have the money for take
Yeah,
the
me know
taxi
what
go
you
there
say.
so.
Me know what you say.
And then we
Can't
gone
see.
overseas. We never have no time.
God provide for you, know, man.
Just
oh, God is
say we have
good.
to yesterday and break.
God
we have
is
to clean
good.
him up. Hopefully
Yeah.
this a load.
God is
See if you
good.
can see it man there so.
Them the time they tie on that little baby.
Yeah, man, look,
Eh?
baby, man.
When
And Tyrone,
you're in there, you know.
Yeah, you mustn't feel so we forget you, but it's
Don't
just,
just big, no.
it's just.
You know what people
You
are growing up
understand
and
me?
realize it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You just.
Me fine. This is stuck.
Yeah.
Me fine sitting. But me I tell
Brother,
you,
I'm
this-
glad to see you.
Oh, God,
when
man.
Lisa tell me, I say, Lisa, what? Come here, go mountain, because they
Yeah,
have one
yeah,
rally
yeah.
around, so the youth, them, this are plan for to carry me straight.
Mhm.
But one, no, me stop off and so me I go make Peter say in down, so I be able to go around there too. So me say, alright, you are going. I go just go with him. So me tell him to go. Papa Lynn.
Yeah, man, look on the grave, but you see the bush up. Andre son, you know. Where they?
Aye.
Yeah, man.
Where Andre there?
India, America.
India, yeah, India, New York. For real. For real.
That's the grave. Cause it's like people make dirt and come down on it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes,
They make dirt and come down
when I
on
do
it.
just sweep off here.
Sweep off it, wash it, and paint it. Weed up round it. But guess what?
Yeah.
Couple years from now, they have a money.
Yes.
Grill up round it. So nobody make that damage. You understand?
And tile it.
Yeah,
When I
and
not do it, when I not
tile
do
have
it
a tile.
in December when me there, come on, come down there. You understand
That
me?
tile, man, that
Yeah,
was
man,
the
in a
car.
tile and grill up round it.
Yeah.
And put on one headstone pan it.
Yeah. So, but-
Headstone and grill it
Yeah,
and
man, that's
tile
exactly
around.
what I tell you. I go paper
Yeah,
and
man.
round it, so
Yeah.
no dirt and no grass.
Right, and grill it like no goat, no do the
And put one
And no.
about 4 rubber black round
Yeah.
it and grill it.
Yeah,
man.
me proud down now.
Okay,
Yeah.
man.
If as we did a live now, if you see Big Son them, me that, oh, I don't know we done my name. No, no, joke.
We just give him a full black so you
Yes,
dirty
man.
up.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
next
me
time
love
we're going
that.
to know you love in Rasta.
Yeah, me love that, yeah.
Red up pattern,
Oh,
green and gold
yeah,
and
yeah,
then black.
yeah,
But tile,
yeah,
we have a tile.
Yes, tile him
fence up round him
fence
and
him,
everything.
grill him round
Mhm.
and everything.
Like I said, this
Me
a
love
cover
that.
and he never
Me
cover.
love
Never
that,
say.
me love that.
Oh,
Me
God,
love
man.
that.
that's-
No,
me
me
say
love
this,
that.
say,
Yeah, me
if
love
I know
that.
one thing deserve of that.
Yeah,
But
man.
When
Yeah,
you go back
man.
there,
Yeah.
I just, you know, say
Yeah.
up to now. When
Yeah.
you say myself, you can't get over that.
Mhm.
I say, God, because I always just walk
On
up town.
vacation.
Never really accept sending dead body like that, you know.
Right, I don't know, go see him again.
So if you go and go and grave, it's not a normal thing.
Right,
I tell you.
because from them day time they
You know, when you there, me not go back there.
Okay,
I know
14
like you
years.
can't go, but you don't want to go there.
Yeah, 14 years now. Oh,
When me
God,
come and
man,
say, no,
along
most
that.
bad now, we don't
Yeah,
want to
man.
bush up.
You know what,
and
you know what,
need a
go there,
X
go
to.
there neither.
You know, I'm going to look for and see
Mm.
Dexter.
Dexter there.
But nobody no want give me number because you say they don't trust me or whatever. you
No
know?
man, Dexter, if you dey go with me,
No,
they know
that
me.
time I want to reach a
Actually, me not
time,
see
but
I've got 3 or 4.
But 5 minutes after 3 we there and
Oh God, man, me only not apart from that. Cause me see Dexter
You go
this
there.
morning. When me a go down, me see Dexter got a tree. Cause Kingdom Heart Church ain't going on.
Oh,
me
can
see
we go
him
to
a
the
walk,
church next door, him?
No, him a walk a Kingdom Heart Church, a trail. Up there and there.
yeah, me say me have to see the man there, man.
Dexter,
Personally,
good
like,
boy.
me can't make no call
Yes.
to the man there.
A day in there,
Certain
man.
people, my boss, me have to
Up
visit them. Me
there
can't
in
call
there,
them.
man. Dexter cool to him,
And
man.
man, we got Canada,
Them I don't know, man. And he
man,
come to me,
we
he
got
come to
Canada.
me and say,
I
Conrad,
see him security company.
No,
No.
bartender over a hotel.
hey, bartender.
But everything happened for a reason because
Yeah.
this, if Uncle Tanner I never say watch
Yeah.
it. You understand
Yeah,
what
he
I say?
come to me the day and say, he say, Conrad, you never you know, he tell me say, you never you know, and you know, say me a boss him in a car. When he call your name, me have to boss him in a car. Me know you, and me say that good you could have this turn out tonight and go up a morning. And so, you understand me?
No man, oh God.
Yeah.
And like the Terrence,
Yeah, man.
you have to care about
You know,
man.
if you get back to me, come on.
Just you have to care about
I'll get sit and get coconut.
We get coconut, you know.
food. You don't get coconut.
The big man, auntie, she still have food, man. No, man, she still have
I
food.
wonder
So now go back up.
Eh? No,
No,
Manchester, we go back now. Monday, I think Manchester.
You
Monday.
take time drive on the road. Listen now, come listen. Hey, John.
I don't understand you, John.
No, wait, now wait for your phone to take care.
I don't understand you.
Wait for your phone to take care.
No, but so you know yield me up.
No, me I yield, but me.
But you know
Hey, John and Tyrone. Remember Tyrone, little baby?
What you know?
Me not pass him on the road and I know say him.
Wait, I think you not come to take care.
So you get them weight here from? Eh?
Me a feeding, man.
Hold on, a Kentucky dude. Yeah,
man.
a Kentucky do yourself.
I'm mommy food, man.
So you know, say me that pass, you don't know, say you.
Yeah, that's what I tell him.
Yeah.
Say me that pass him on
You
the
don't
road
recognize
and
me. But me that pass, you don't know, say you.
Yeah, man.
Because
Yeah, be here for the face and
Eh?
yeah, you know.
Me don't know say I hear
give
John.
him somebody weight no man.
You know, say, at least I said to Carlisa a while ago, say, if I just that side of family.
Yeah.
I say food that little and small and sharp. You understand?
Yeah.
Mama
So me now, yeah, we now go get, me now go get no
Take
big.
it from him mother side.
Yeah,
Yeah, Bali.
But guess what? Try not put on no more no virgin.
Yeah, man, it's a come up now.
Because if the penny ever get big,
Yeah,
you can't eat like them man again.
Come
See me a can right? You understand? You good though?
no man, no matter how they tease me, my mother make
You no
busy.
matter.
Me love it. Me love it. Me love sleep. Me love sleep. Me love
Yeah,
sleep.
man.
Just-
No wrong with you at all.
I saw you go,
But
man.
him take off from mommy side.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, say right now, sometimes me see cause me have what name? Backside. Do it. I'm seeing post Uncle Canard. You know Uncle Canard?
Danny.
Uncle Danny. Come here, come my father me I look at. You think saying light a complexion.
Yeah, little same
Try
like
now.
as well. So when you come down,
Last week.
last week when you go back up.
I spend the whole of the month. So the end of
Okay.
the month. I mean, I tell Uncle Canard say, no man, I
Yeah?
tell Uncle Canard say, we try to come at the far place them first. Cause I just get that car for him. And I'm going to care about that car by tonight, 8 o'clock. We are Monday.
Oh.
So we went yesterday go clean up a father grave and paint it. And then I say I come at OCHO side just in case me not have no vehicle by them
So
time.
you can't
They
wait
get
to
the
run
far.
banana.
Oh.
Peter.
Use this sir.
Peter.
Yeah.
They
Use your
get the
phone.
far place and put it
Use
on
your
Instagram.
phone.
Eh?
Use your
Use
phone.
my phone, off a phone, Uncle
He might
Canary.
take a
Use this
picture,
tattoo. Use
I
this
put
tattoo.
it.
Use it
And I
to
can send it to
Must
me.
have been shot.
So no you give one of them white girl the picture and say, yo, my uncle that you know should I want you.
Tired.
I see you or something that
Yes, sir.
play with me. Yeah man, I see you on Facebook with that old girl and I say, yo, my uncle that.
Yeah. So yeah man, we are left OCHO right now. And in general there, you see me? I left OCHO just go visit a few people. Never get to see everybody who wants to car. Time is against us, man, for bring back the car, you see? Tap a KFC and a one piece of line now watch you over the new plaza. So I go drive out and see what I go on where you can get something to eat. You see me? But I eat man. Cap in a brownstone and try to get 2 pieces of phone near me, you see? They're frustrated. By hungry and the people them now start out eating. So then treatment and mommy give me clothes wash, fold up and put on on bed. Yeah man, just a reaching, you see me? Tired from watch, just go drop off the car and a bag of thing and take a taxi a while ago and just reach over my seat. So we call it a night. But yeah, that was watching. Never get to see everybody who got to see cars. We did a run off a limited time, but you know that's something that works. Stay tuned for the next vlog and big up on yourself. No fluff. See? Up top.
You have to work